How to fix apps not downloading on your app store. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix app store not downloading apps on your iPhone. So sometimes when you try to download some apps from the app store, it will not let you download, or the download will not complete at any cost. So if you want to fix this problem, there are basically various reasons as to why this problem may be occurring. So we will go through them one by one. So the first is simply going to settings. After that, simply go to cellular. Now only do this method if you are downloading the app using the cellular data instead of your Wi-Fi. Now if you are downloading apps using your cellular data and it is not downloading, what you'll have to do is simply go to cellular data options. After that, make sure data roaming is turned on. Now once this is turned on, you'll have to simply untoggle this part which is low data mode. After that, back out. Now scroll down until you see the option App Store, tap on it. Now once you've done that, go to app downloads and then tap on the option always allow. Now once you've done that, try downloading the app from the app store once again, and if it downloads, that's great. But if it doesn't download, what you can do is simply try switching to data from your Wi-Fi if you are on your Wi-Fi, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. Now sometimes when you do this, the app will be downloaded, but if your app is still not downloading, what you'll have to do is simply press the volume up button, volume down button, and then keep on pressing the power button. Now remember, don't release your finger until you see the Apple logo. So simply keep pressing. You will have to press for about 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Now don't let go until you see the Apple logo. So I'm still pressing. Now once you see the Apple logo, simply release your finger. After that, wait for your iPhone to turn on. Now once your iPhone is turned on, simply try downloading the app from the app store once again, and if it still doesn't download, what you'll have to do is simply go to your app store. After that, tap on your profile which is right over here. Now simply scroll to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option sign out. Simply tap on it. After that, scroll to the top and then tap on the option Apple ID. Now enter your Apple ID over here. After that, enter your password. Now once you've entered both of those, simply tap on the option sign in. Now once you've done that, your problem of apps not downloading from the app store will be solved. So that is basically how you fix app not downloading from your app store on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.